doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the January 2020 California Found subscription box. This box is pretty great. So everything that comes in here is from local artisans from the state of California. And it gives you a little bit of a background from where the items come from. And I just love knowing that. So California Found is a subscription, but you can also purchase one-time boxes. So if you've seen me open boxes in the past, there's a chance that's still available on their site. So the one-time boxes, you pay $55, but if you are a subscriber, then it is $49 per month. So I'm gonna leave all of that information down below. It always comes in this pretty box here. It has this like ombre yellow orange effect with some flowers. And yeah, let's get this box open and see what we got for January. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. So all the items are packed neat with like the swigglies and some tissue. And then there is a pack of cards here. So this is what gives you all the information about the companies and the items. And there's also one card that describes like what the box is all about. So it says, "Welcome to the California Found January 2020 collection. Happy New Year. We're excited to bring you this month's collection of gorgeous California artisan-made products. Look inside and discover treats to jumpstart your new year, share love with your peeps, and nourish your body and your soul." And one box contains our golden ticket, which entitles the recipient to one free box to keep for themselves or give as a gift. So look carefully and good luck. We're also honored to continue our ongoing commitment to 1% for the planet. Learn more about their mission at www.1percentfortheplanet.org. I love that they give back. That is awesome. So that is the card I was reading from. And then I will keep the sticker cards here that talk about the items. And I love they actually show the owners and the makers of the items as well. So when I take the tissue off, this is what it looks like. So we kind of got a sneak peek there. It looks like we have some cards right on top. Looks like these might be some Valentine's Day cards just in time. It's only a few weeks away. So the first one says, "I heart emoji you." That's cute. And it has a red envelope on the back. I guess these are by Missive. It says letterpress printed in California with 100% cotton paper. And then the next one, oh, super cute. This says hugs, kisses, and Valentine wishes. And it has like the little hugs and kisses, like X's and O's on there. And then the last one says, "You make life sweeter." Let me just look at one and see if there's anything on the inside or if it's blank. So it looks like the inside of the cards are blank and they do feel nice. I love that they're made out of cotton paper. It's super cute. So I found the card for this one. So like you can see the owner there, super cute. Says, "Missive creates stylish letterpress stationery for the modern paper lover. Founded by designer Lisa Willis in 2009 as a creative pursuit, Missive has evolved into stationery and gift brand focused on crafting unique, high-quality paper goods that you'll be delighted to send and receive. In addition to the retail line, Lisa also creates custom designs ranging from wedding suites and birth announcements to luxe personalized stationery and business cards. Whether your love has withstood the test of time or is as new and fresh as the day of spring, this month's selection will give you the Valentine's Day sentiments you need to express yourself with grace and style." So we received 3 cards, and together the total retail price of the cards is $15. And one thing I didn't mention earlier is that each of these cards also gives some coupon codes. So if you like the items you got and want to support that local business more, you can do so. So here is a 20% off code for Missive, the card company. So if you guys want any of these codes, just leave a comment down below. I'll keep track of these cards for a little bit. But let's move on to the next item. Looks like we have something here. Ooh, it's like a 2-pack of things here. It's by Calm, or it says Calm Naked Herbal Face Steam, by Naked Scrubs. So I've gotten these before in the past, facial steamers. It's like having a spa experience at home. And then on the back of it is a face mask. So let me untie this so we can get a better look at them. So here's the facial steamer. So that's the back, you can see. So this is made with dandelion root, chamomile, calendula, lavender, lemon thyme, peppermint, rosemary, and love. And to use it says place herbs in a bowl, steep the herbs in a bowl of hot water for 1 to 2 minutes, Place a towel over your head and steam or hover over the bowl for 1 minute. Repeat and enjoy. And then the other one here by Naked Scrubs is Sunshine Naked Face Mask. This is for brightening scarred, dry, easily inflamed, and or uneven skin. It says the directions are to add liquid to the mask powder, coat face, dry, then rinse. And the ingredients in this are turmeric, rasol clay, bentonite clay, and love. Awesome. So I guess the name of this company is Get Naked, Handmade Natural Simple Bath Body Home. And there is a creator there and some pictures of their products. So it says Get Naked is a handmade small batch company started by teacher Angela Johnson Rogers. I guess she goes by AJ. And it says their mission is to create natural, aka naked, products for the conscious consumer. Most of their products are packaged in eco-friendly or recyclable containers and include ingredients that are vegan, locally sourced, fair trade, or grown by AJ herself. To AJ, being naked is about living as natural as possible, including what we put on our bodies. Start your naked journey with our calming and detoxifying herbal facial steam to open your pores. Then mix the brightening sunshine mask powder with liquid, coat your skin, let dry, rinse with warm water. Gorgeous. And the value for both of these together is $21, and again there is a code if anyone is interested. Ooh, looks like we got some food items. I just right when I started filming, my watch notified me that my fasting is over. I'm trying to do 18-hour fasting again. I won't get into it, but now I can eat these after filming. This is by Nora's Food Co. Grain-free paleo snacks. This is original grain-free formula. No wheat, no grains, no dairy, no soy, no GMOs. A crispy, crunchy, gluten-free cereal topping made with unrefined toasted coconut, eggs, nuts, and seeds. You won't believe it's oat-free. Nora's Food Company creates paleo grain-free, gluten-free snacks that are healthy alternatives to traditional processed snacks. This crispy, crunchy granola is great as a topping. Granola. I feel like I'm reading so wrong. I want to get through this so I can try one so bad. But this crispy, crunchy granola is great as a topping, cereal, trail mix, and crust. Try some today. So there's 6 servings in here. It's calories of 140. The ingredients are SO-free. Does that mean sulfate free? I don't know. SO-free unsweetened shredded coconut, free-range organic egg whites, organic coconut sugar, almonds, pumpkin seeds, pecans, currants, walnuts, and sea salt. So for allergies, it says it contains eggs, tree nuts, and sugar, and best kept refrigerated after opening. So let's try a bite of this. So this is what it looks like inside of the bag. This looks like it'd make a great cereal. So I'm just gonna try a small piece now. Oh my god, it's better than I expected it to be. Like, I didn't think it would suck, but it's so good. This is amazing. Let's see how much this costs. Oh my god. You don't even need to add milk or anything. So, oh my god. Is it like a requirement to be a beautiful woman and to be in this box? But it says, Nora's Food Company. Alright, it says everything I already read to you on the back. But this is $9.99 and it is freaking delicious. And again, there's a code if anyone's interested. I know what I'm having for lunch. So. Next up, it looks like we have a jewelry item in here. Let's get it out. Oh, cool. So this is an amber necklace, and then it talks about amber a little bit, but let me show you it up close before I read all the words. That is really pretty. And there is an adjustable strap there. So the amber necklace, it says, amber soothes the nerves, enhances mental clarity, and draws in energy to the physical body. This organic gem is the powerful cleanser and healer with unique capabilities of drawing out toxins while revitalizing the body. Amber is said to absorb negative energy and transmute them into positive forces that stimulate healing. I love that. The first thing I think of when I hear amber is like a song from back in the day. I can't sing it though, but let me see if I can put this on myself. Struggles of a single lady. Oh my god, I think I did that in one try. That's pretty. I'm like so impressed with myself. I'm like, one try. But here is the card that talks about it and the woman who makes it. Again, beautiful. So it says, 100 Graces is gemstone jewelry for the modern goddess. Inspired by crystal healing, their jewelry combines natural elements, vibrant colors, and bohemian glamour to create a look that is not only fashion forward, but also full of healing vibration. All of their jewelry is handmade in their Los Angeles studio with only natural stones and sustainably sourced materials. 10% of online sales go to local charities in Los Angeles and Ventura County, California. We love the modern organic look of this month's amber necklace. Amber is said to soothe the nerves, enhance mental clarity, draw toxins from the body, stimulate healing, and absorb negative energy. We can't think of a better way to start the new year. So this amber necklace is $32. Oh, can you guys see it? Hopefully you guys can see it. Just trying to sit up super tall now, but awesome. So we have one more item left. And it's a candle. You guys know I love candles so much. It says a spark of prosperity, soul spark, candles to spark your soul. And then this is what the side looks like. So hand poured with love by Soul Spark. It says, light this organic soy / coconut wax candle infused with green tea essential oils and feel happiness and generosity. Success and prosperity will follow. Find a healing stone at the bottom to keep the good vibes going. That's so cool. There's a stone in the bottom. I go through candles so quick. Oh, it smells so good. But I was saying I go through candles pretty quickly because I just love them so much and I'm home a lot so I can like keep an eye on them, you know. Oh my god, you guys. Smell-o-vision, where are you? This smells great. Oh, there's something that says that. There's something on the cap too. It says, overflowing wealth, success, happiness, and generosity is happening to me right now. I will have more than I ever dreamed possible. Oh, it's a positive affirmation. You guys, I love this so much. So here is the card. And like, for real. Another gorgeous. But Soul Spark, based in San Diego, creates candles to inspire your life and spark your soul. A Spark of Prosperity candle is made from a blend of organic soy, coconut wax with clean, fresh scent of green tea. Make sure to read the affirmation on the lid and remember prosperity comes in many forms. Watch for the healing stone at the bottom of the candle when it's done burning and know that you can have more than you ever dreamed possible. So this 8-ounce candle is $21.99 and it looks like there was a variety of different types. This smells so good. Like it has a green tea scent, but like even better, you know. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see the stone that's on the bottom. I'll have to show you guys once I get there. But that was everything in the box, you guys. I really like this one. I like this box probably better than the last few months. I'm trying to remember what we got. I always enjoy this box for sure, but I absolutely love candles and this whole positive affirmation part of it, and that there's a stone inside. That's so exciting to me. I'm totally gonna burn this after filming. I think it's great that they gave us Valentine's Day cards. It's very fitting because that's just a few weeks away and a great reminder. This granola tastes so good. I'm going to be eating this for lunch after I'm done filming. I don't even think I have any like almond milk or anything in the fridge, but I'm still going to eat some of that. And then we have some skincare. I rarely do facial steams, but I want to try it out because I've been dealing with some skin issues, and especially since I just traveled, my skin is not the happiest, so it's always good to get some more skincare. And this necklace, I loved like learning more about amber, and I think it's beautiful as well. Is that everything? I think so. So yeah, I'm overall very happy with this box. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Again, all the links and information in the description box. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!